This is a breadboard. These are used to test out ideas and prototype fast. We can easily add or remove components as we do not need to solder. Inside the breadboard, there are metal strips that allow us to make any circuit. Let's see what is inside a breadboard. There are vertical and horizontal metal strips which act as wires to complete the circuit. In using breadboards, we use solid core wires or jumper wires to make connections. We use the metal strips inside the breadboards to make connections and build a circuit like I have shown. When using an IC, we place the IC in the middle.